Seven-time Road March queen and soca performer Melissa Vanilla Roberts' latest hit tells the story of what we can achieve if we work together as a people.
One voice is the voice of the people. Let we make them know we only begin with racial harmony. Oneness, 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 one voice is the voice of the people in love and unity.
One day after being released on her official Facebook page, Vanilla's song One Voice has become an instant hit with over 350 shares and 16,000 views. Speaking to InfoHub, she shared the inspiration behind the song.
When you're on the stage and you just see everybody, you just see, like I said, nothing but unity. It just evokes a different change inside of you. So that was one of the concepts that it was based on. When you see everybody's just partying together and just having fun together, and then it's like, hey, we're just there. And if you're on stage and you were to tell them to say one thing, then everybody responds to that one thing when you speak with one voice. So basically, that's how the concept was birthed.
Vanilla noted while there were challenges, the end product was satisfactory.
It was challenging. Actually, it's one of the videos that I've had so much challenges with, but which only goes to show the concept of speaking with one voice is not as easy as it sounds, but it's achievable.
Roberts expressed her hope that people can take away the message of unity after watching the video.
The message in the video is very clear. It's just we can achieve anything if we were to just speak with one voice, and I'm looking forward to the successes of us as a people. Being able to speak as one voice and not allowing our different cultural background to separate us.
One Voice is Vanilla's entry for the Soca Monarch 2019 competition. The song was birthed after last year's competition and was written by Borchmore Simon. For InfoHub, Anarka.
Voices of this nation, time to show